Okay, today take a look at the VEVOR magnetic socket organizers. Cool, so it looks like you can get different colors in here. Let's see what we got. So this is metric, and this is the black set. Very cool looking. And the entire base is magnetic, which means you can just stick this right onto the side of a toolbox, or if you're working on an electrical cabinet or anything like that, you can just slap it right on there and then pull your sockets off as you need them. I like how well they got these things packaged too. We got bubble wrap as well as the dust wrap. Well labeled all the way down so we know exactly what socket we're pulling up. So quite often, especially with very chrome sockets, it's very hard to read the numbers on it. But with this, you know this is going to be a 25. Okay, we got our 3/8, we got our 1/2 inch, and we got our 1/4. So complete set. Cool. Black and red. That is going to look good in the toolbox. Nice. So this is the 1/4 inch, and again, everything is all well labeled. We got our 1/2 inch drive and the 3/8. Love the colors on this. Yeah, I love the look, and you can kind of organize it however the heck you want, but I kind of like having just the metric on one side and the standard on the other. So let's go ahead and get our sockets in it. So there we go. That is a beautiful thing. One of the nice things about this too is it actually has spots for extra sockets that I don't even have. So if you have an absolutely complete set of sockets, these organizers can be able to hold them. On top of that, they're magnetic. So you can take them and do whatever the heck you want to with them, but you can still easily grab it and pull it out with one hand. So that is awesome. This is a fantastic set of organizers.